Today we're going to talk about one of the problems that a lot of customers are asking us. Issues with overfilling of their blast pot when they're either in a blast room situation or where they have an overhead bin to fill it automatically when they shut down. If you've got a blast pot underneath an overhead bin, make sure that you feed the abrasive directly into the center of your blast pot. You should have a lid on it, you should have a mesh screen on it, and underneath that, put a spider plate above your mushroom. This will avoid you overfilling your blast pot. So a few things to recount. Make sure your abrasive hose goes directly into the center of the feed of your blast pot. Use a mesh screen. Take out all of the other things that may come back in there. Earplugs. Blasters love to throw earplugs in the system to block the system up. And then use a spider plate. If you need any more information on how to avoid overfilling your blast pot, please reach out to the BlastOne team.